First video recording for June 2012 Regents. And of course, it's back to our Foucault pendulum if you've watched any of my videos before. Number one, a Foucault pendulum appears to change its direction of swing because Earth. One of the tricks you need to know for this question is well, what is a Foucault pendulum, and maybe what is a pendulum also. A Foucault pendulum, let me just give you an image here, is a ball on a swing, and I'm sure you've seen something like this before, and it swings back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. It's very common. It's this thing used by scientists. It helps them determine all sorts of different things. But what's interesting about a Foucault pendulum is that in a Foucault pendulum, and you can see in the image, is that although it swings back and forth over and over and over, it actually slowly rotates as the day goes on. So as time goes on, this pendulum begins to swing, and it also rotates in a circle as it's swinging back and forth. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do when you view this question. If you know what a Foucault pendulum is, and you've heard of it before, you're going to be able to understand that the answer is number two. It's because Earth is actually spinning on its axis. Because Earth is rotating or spinning on its axis, it also causes the Foucault pendulum to spin. But let's look at some of these answers and let's see if we can cancel some of these out. Number four, I think they always like to give you two bad answers that you can kind of just cancel out. Number four is one of those answers. It has nothing to do with density or anything like that. That doesn't make any sense. Number three, Earth has a curved surface. Okay, well, that's a true statement, but it doesn't. I don't think that's reasonable. I think that you guys can realize that just because it has a curved surface doesn't mean that that's not really the correct answer. It doesn't really make sense. And one is tilted on its axis. Okay, similar concept. I get what that means. Yes, Earth is tilted on its axis. That's correct. But the reason that the Foucault appears to change its direction or begins to rotate is also because the Earth is spinning on its axis or it is rotating. So the correct answer is number two. Earth is spinning on its axis.